Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Photoshop Beta and importing your images directly into a new document. This gets you working fast. Once loaded, set resolution and color profile so edits remain consistent across outputs, 300 ppi for print, 72 ppi for web. Make sure beta features are enabled in Preferences under Technology Previews. This unlocks experimental AI tools. Now create a duplicate layer to preserve the original, and name it clearly so you can revert. You'll use layers and masks as the backbone while experimenting with beta tools. Start by selecting the subject with Object Select, then apply Contextual Fill to remove or replace background elements. Once done, try neural filters for color grading or face-aware edits, but keep them on separate layers so you can tweak strength with opacity. Make sure to group related layers and use blend modes to harmonize shadows and highlights. If a filter overcorrects, mask it back where you want subtler effect instead of removing it. You'll finalize by exporting. Choose Export as to set format, quality, and color profile for your target. Save a PSD with all layers and enabled beta features so you can revisit non-destructive edits later. Creative Cloud version history is useful if you need to revert. If something breaks, crashes, strange artifacts, or disabled tools, restart Photoshop Beta first, then reset Preferences, or toggle off specific technology previews to isolate the cause. If persistent, duplicate the file and remove recent AI layers to recover progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.